Hi friends, it's Kim with Sweet Daisy Creations. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I'm so glad you're here with me today. I have my very first Decocrated box. And if you have not heard about Decocrated, I actually heard about it by another YouTuber that I kind of watch occasionally. And she gets these Decocrated boxes, and I was like so interested in it. I actually ordered this back, around Christmas, before Christmas time. It was like back in November or something like that. And this is my first box. I did pay for it for a year. I believe it's like around $75 a box. It's not super cheap. So I paid for a year, and I did get a discount by doing that. And I'm not sponsored by these people or anything like that, but I wanted to share what I got in it because I decided after I quit my Stitch Fix box, I had talked to my husband after I'd learned about this program or this subscription, you know how much I love home decor, that I wanted to try this, and he told me I could. So anyways, so I've got my box here, and so we don't take up a whole lot of time. I've already opened it, but I haven't opened all the stuff. So let's see what we've got. Okay, I've got an envelope here, so let me, well, actually, this was on the top. It said, open me, open me quick. And I did take that out. And then on top, it also had this little cork coaster. It says, cheers, y'all. And it's just super cute, you know, little coaster. So that was on the top of the box. And then I'm digging into the box here, and let's see what we can find. All right. Well, let me show you this first. First, they had an envelope. I've already opened this envelope, and I don't want to look in this little book they gave. It's a little book that says Decocrated, and I think it shows you how to what's in your box. Don't look too close. Let me see. I don't want to look at it, but it shows you how to style your stuff and things like that, and how to decorate. Really cool little box, a little book there. I have to look at it later. And then they sent this. It's a little card, and it just says, what does it say? Tell me a story with flowers. And in the beginning, when I first signed up, the first thing, out of the blue, I got a box, and it was a picture frame. And it's like a barnwood looking picture frame, and it has, I want to say, burlap on the backing, and then it had a little clip. And that's what you do with this. You clip it into the little picture frame. So I guess they send you these every time, you know, for something different to put in your picture frame. And then they also, on the other side, it says, stay extra sparkly, which is the other side. But you could use that picture frame for picture. Obviously, you could clip a picture on there. Also, you know, if you pick out a cute card at Dollar Tree or something, that would look cute in there too. You know, I could put an Easter card in there. That would be adorable. You know, anything like that. So that little frame is very versatile. So I do love it. All right. So the first thing I see is this. It's a black and white stripe with pom-poms on it. And, oh, yep, here's a zipper. It's a pillowcase. I have to be careful doing this, I guess. Yes, it's a pillowcase. So it has an opening. So isn't that cute? With the pom-poms and everything. Oh, adorable. And it's like a canvas, I guess. Very cute, very cute. I like this, don't you? It's very springy looking. And then here's another. This is this print. Whoop, let me turn it around. Isn't that pretty with the yellow flowers? You know me, my yellow. And then it kind of has what is that, kind of a salmon color? And this, let me see. Yep, it has a zipper too. So this is a pillowcase as well. Now, I do not have a pillow this size, so I will definitely have to get a pillow form to put in it. I'll have to measure it and find a pillow form to put inside of it. But isn't that pretty? Very pretty for spring. Oh, and I didn't show you that. Other side is polka dotted. Isn't that cute? That looks adorable. Let's see. else is in here? Ooh. Ooh, this is cute. Look. A clock. Isn't that adorable? Look at that color. I was thinking I needed another clock. I don't know where I'm going to put it particularly, but isn't that adorable? And it just has the back so you can put in your battery. But look at the feet on it, and it has a little top on there. That's cute. That's very farmy looking. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, that's so cute. So far, we've got all these things. Isn't that nice? And here's a box. I gotta get my trusty little thing out and cut it. Okay. Let's see what's in the box. Oh. Look, it's a cute little succulent. Nice with a glass jar. Nice succulent. Fairly good size. Just says Decocrated on the bottom. Isn't that cute? That'll look cute in one of my trays, up on a shelf, you know, all different kinds of places for these little succulents. Isn't that cute? And perfect for spring decorating, don't you think? I think so. So that's adorable. Ooh, here's a big box. This box. Let's see what's in here. Where's my thing? Ooh, exciting. It's like Christmas, isn't it? It's like a Christmas. I'm excited. Yep, it's called Decocrated. So you can look them up online if you're interested. I don't have any kind of, like I'm not sponsored by them or anything like that, so I don't have any discount for you or anything like that. Ooh, this feels like a piece of wood something or other. Let me pull it out of the box. Ooh. Well, if I can get my fingers in here to pull it. Ooh, it's a cute basket. Let's see, I gotta take the bubble wrap off. Well, I can get it off. Oh, isn't that cute? It's got a little bit of like metal here. It's got handles on each side. Isn't that cute? It's pretty good size, and it's like that in the inside. You could put mason jars with flowers in there. Oh, that'd be cute. You could just do all kinds of sorts of things with this, you know. It's a good decoration. Look nice on a shelf with some greenery in it. You know, all kinds of things you can do with this. Isn't that cute? Super cute, and it's nice and sturdy too. That's adorable. Let's see, there's one more thing in here. How about that? Ooh. It's amazing I got all this in one box. Okay, let's see what this is. This one's like this. Let's see what it is. Tell you, it's like Christmas. I don't know what this is. I have no clue. I didn't know what I was gonna get. You know, I had no clue. I'd only seen that one video that girl did. I guess I gotta cut it all the way around because I'm not figuring out how to open it. Oh, maybe it's like this. Okay, this is something that's also in plastic. Let's see, what is it? What, something else? Yeah. Okay, this looks like two things. Okay, on one side it says messy bun, getting stuff done. And then it has something on the other side. It says, today I will be strong, brave, kind, and unstoppable. Today I will be fierce. Messy bun and getting stuff done. This would be more something like my daughter would need because she wears her hair in buns and stuff. I don't do that. It's so cute, right? That's really cute, and it's nice. It's got this rope on it, and it's wood. And this, you know, it's, I think probably MDF, but isn't that cute? Okay, so there's that. I'm gonna set that down. And then there's a like clipboard, and then when it popped out of the box was a, like a chalk marker, I guess. And it says, things to remember. Isn't that cute? And then it's got the thing you put your paper in there, or you can write on here. So, twofer. You can do both things with it. Those are cute, such cute things. So out of the box, I got both of these things. You know, I got so much things. So I got one, let's see, how many things did I get? I got the clipboard, this little sign, and I got that, and this, and the clock, and the 2 pillowcases. I would say that's pretty good for the box and for the amount of money you pay for it. Because I think it was like $70-something for one box. But look all of the cuteness you get. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. And you know, all this stuff. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I counting this? Yeah, 5, 6, 7 things. Oh wait. I forgot about these. They had some more of these in there. It was next to this thing. I forgot about them when I was talking about that, you know, talking about the... So you got a whole set of these drink up buttercup. Isn't that cute? So you got a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the little coasters, and they probably all say something different. Let's open these up. Let me see if I can get them open without killing myself. Let me see. Well, maybe not. Maybe they're not going to open too much for me. I wanted to show them to you, see what they say. Oh my gosh, this plastic is something else. Where's my scissors? Oh, I had them down here somewhere. If I can get this plastic off of here. Jesus creepers. Y'all are probably bored to tears. Sorry. This is crazy. Oh well, anyways, I can't get them open. But anyway, so a little set of those. So now, let's go back to the book. So here they show you exactly what is in your box. Right there. There's our pillows, and it shows the front and the back. And then here's the other one. Oh, first is the card, sorry. That's that little card. And then here's the pillows, there's the basket, the clock. So everything that was in it is in the front. And then it kind of shows you how to set things up. This is the thing they already sent me with the, and so here they've got it set up with a bunny and a little, what is that, a nest with egg in it. They show it set up. So they give you different scenarios on how you could show your products or decorate your products. So here they've got it with the clock and stuff. So that's cute. So they, you know, kind of give you some vignette ways to look at it. So first off, and then here they're talking about the pillows. And it says the pro tip. Play into the palette by curating complementary home accents. So it kind of shows this with a, you know, like a yellow pillow next to it and stuff. And then here's the black and white one with the, so I kind of tell you how to like coordinate other things with it that you might pick up. And then it shows the things with the coaster, you know, using the coasters, sitting around in your little vignettes and stuff, you know, here on the tray. And then it shows like the board, I guess, and the basket. Is that the basket? Yeah, the basket like sitting on a desk or whatever. So they have all different kinds of ideas, and then here they show the succulent. So they have a page for each of the things that you receive. It says, now here they're talking about the succulent and all the different ways you can use the succulent. And then here you're at the one for the wood plaque, and then that's the messy bun and how you could kind of use that. So they give you vignettes and ideas on how to use the stuff in your home and everything. So it's really kind of cool. So I'm excited. These are very pretty spring pillows. So I just, I might have a pillow I already have for this, or I probably have to buy some pillow farms. But that would be cute for, you know, spring. And a yellow pillow with it, which was actually perfect. You know, get that other color in there, but isn't that cute? So I have to say I'm really pleased with my very first box. Very pleased. I think all of it's so cute. Love my little succulent. Love the pillowcases. Love the little box. Love the clock. So cute. So I'm pleased as punch. I love it, love it, love it. Anyways, I just wanted to share that with you, that I had received my first box and I was so excited about it. But anyways, y'all take care, and I'll have some more videos coming out. I'm fixing to start making, hopefully soon I'm going to be able to paint those lanterns because we haven't been having too much wind. But I'm hoping maybe today it won't be so windy and I can get out there and spray those. And so I'm going to start planning my decor for my front porch, and I'm excited to do that with you. So I'm going to be making some bows for my lanterns and decorating them and stuff. And this will be my everyday decor for my front porch. So we're going to be starting to do that. And then, of course, I'm going to be starting to decorate for Easter in the house. So I have a lot of videos coming in for you. And anyways, I hope you enjoyed this one. I love you too much. So much, so much. To pieces, to pieces. Y'all take care and have a very blessed day. Bye.